to another video, because it's been a while because the weather's been absolutely crap. I've actually got this booth down ages ago in the gym, like 2 months ago, but I was just cleaning it up. Really had a chance to do it outdoors because I'm not even joking, it has been raining for 2 weeks straight. Floor is still quite moist and I'm leaving like a massive ditch here, but I need to make a video. Back layout, the best I can describe it is just a non-tucked backflip, I guess. Gymnastics move, but it helps with back falls so much, especially after seeing my standing back falls, those big twists essentially. Needed this to help me really understand the rotation and when to twist and stuff, so this has been very helpful. I have got back falls, round off back falls. Round off, I've really cleaned up my round off since my last video on it. I think it was a flash kick or something. Got heaps of trash. One thing I got told by a gymnast instructor is just keep the hands by your ears the whole time. So what that means is I used to go arms up and then I reach down to the ground like this instead of doing coming down. I'm bring the arms up, leave it there. Oh, the ground is soggy. You just get a ton more height and feels good when you get good height. The back layout essentially, the problem is because I was doing flash kicks from before, it's very similar to a layout, but use the chest to cheat it. So instead of going up and kick it all the way around, you can just use the chest to lean back and whip it almost like a back handspring. Like you whip it like a back handspring. Step out, I think it is, back layout, step out or something. So you actually travel backwards. Whereas for the layout, you don't really want to travel too far back. Once you're in the air, the instructor told me to try to get my hips to my arms, not my arms to my hips. So you're pretty much like trying to pelvic thrust the air with your legs, trying to keep that as straight as possible the whole way. Alright, enough talking. Yeah, see, I just whip my chest back straight away. That's because I'm a bit sketched out with this floor. No excuses, try again. Oh, one thing I forgot to do there was just spot up. So you go spot, 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 and then hips over. They're bent like this. I need to keep them straight. I'm more comfortable doing flash kicks than layouts, so I'm going to do some flash kicks. Oh, wow. Look at that mark I did. I'm just going to call the video there. I'm going to upload something. Just can't get the timing right now. Anyways, that is tricky. You have good days, you have bad days. Got to work through those bad days. It was just a little intermediate step for back falls. It's good to have very clean, but I've been trying back falls in the gym. They're pretty good. Really got to try work on these layouts, get them really, really clean, and the back falls will get even cleaner. Thank you for watching. I'm going to film another video now, so next video I'm probably going to wear the same thing. See you in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, all that stuff.